Hi my friends and students. In this video, I am going to share with you how to crack one of the CS executive papers, which is CAFM, Corporate Accounting and Financial Management. I am CS Fatima Kagalwala, an All India rank holder in CS Professional, and I had got exemption marks in this practical subjects. Okay, now this practical subject is your one way to get exemption marks and clear the group with good marks. Okay, it helps you build up your average of the marks. So this paper totally is for 100 marks. It's a group 2 paper. Okay, and it can score you good rank. So you have to master the syllabus in this particular subject. Now, how do we master the syllabus? It is a very, very interesting subject. Even for those students who feel that no, we are not very good at the practical, side. Trust me, even I used to feel like that. But this subject itself is interesting. And it is used in your day-to-day functioning, okay, when you become a CS. So we are going to master the subject by separating both the parts, corporate accounting and financial management. Okay, so focus on the concepts and then you can solve your practical questions. Now this paper is generally mostly you will see all the sums which are there, which are asked. It is in a descriptive form. So 60% is practical, 40% of some theories relating to the Companies Act and falling as a part of corporate accounts can be asked. And there are certain topics which are very frequently asked, and there is a specific pattern which is being followed by the institute. Okay, what are the common mistakes which students are doing or they do when they are doing this subject? They feel that this is a practical subject, let's not do the theory. In fact, theories are sometimes so easy that you can score directly 20-25 marks over there. Okay, then if you are having weak journal entries, so you need to understand the concept of journal entries. And if you are not solving enough, practical subject solving is a must. Okay, it requires a daily practice. So then these are the mistakes which can be avoided and you can get really good marks. So what are my strategies which I had followed, and I want to share that with you, and I want my students and people whom I know, or even if you are there watching my video, I want you all to get really, really good marks. Okay, so have a concept clarity first. Understand the principle as to why we are doing this particular problem in this manner, especially in financial management. Okay, so just do not mug up the formulas. Arrive at the formula so that tomorrow if you forget in the paper, you will know the concept behind it. Daily practice, as I always told you, watch and solve method. Okay, concepts through advice. Take a correct advice for this particular subject and do your problem solving. Okay, you can get good marks in final accounts, issue of share capital, cash flow statement, working capital, capital budgeting. Okay, so do not wait for anything. Join this winning batch with me. Okay, learn from me with my live lectures. There are recorded lectures on the Jahangir Tutorials app, and join the WhatsApp group to stay connected with me. And you will be able to discuss, we will be able to solve together, have a direct interaction with me, and I will share much more tips in my live lectures in order to help you succeed with this paper. Okay, so it is one of my favorite papers and I love teaching this particular subject. So become a part of this journey along with me and join the WhatsApp group now. Okay, thank you everyone. See you all soon in my live classes. Bye.